Hey, and welcome to video number 10. We're going to talk about how you can set up your thank you page. It's a very easy process. Number one, you're going to zip your product files, your ebook or report or written document, along with your license. Now remember that you receive private label rights to a product. That doesn't mean that you can necessarily pass those rights on. So depending on your license, make sure that you create a license and attach it to the product files. And you can easily do that using Microsoft Word, copy pasting the other license, tweaking them and changing them around. You know, some private label rights will have transferable rights, which means you can transfer that to your customer. But then if it's non-transferable, then they can only have personal rights. So make sure you pay close attention to the legal rights. After that, you take the zipped product files and you add it to the same folder as your thank you page. Now, you can add it to any folder that you want, but for simplicity, if you add them to the same folder as your thank you page, it just makes life a lot easier. And I'll show you why in just a second. And then, of course, after that, you can edit the thank you page with Composer and upload the files. And that's it. So let me go and show you how easy it is. So the key here is to zip only the product files into one zip file. Now, with an ebook and report, you're dealing with a very small size file. So you don't really have to create individual zip files just because you're dealing with very, very small sized files. So first thing to do is to locate the report or the ebook, and all of these are just marketing materials for ourselves, and so we just need this. So we need the CAT special report or anything that you're dealing with, plus you need a license. So like I said earlier, you should create a license, and using what I taught you on how to convert the license or the Word document to a PDF file, you know, you can create the PDF file. So we've got this. We might want to convert this into a PDF. So we're going to copy these two PDFs and zip them into a zip folder. Now, if you're on a Windows computer, then zipping them is easy. All you need to do is select these two. And the way I did it was I clicked on it, clicked Control, and selected the license. If you're on a Macintosh, you'll need to do something different. So basically zip these two files, and I'll just call it cat, train cat port. And then I want to move this to the location where my thank you page is for simplicity. So I'm going to go to the sales letter, and that's my download page. So I'm going to, so what I did earlier was I just clicked on this, right click, click cut, and basically moved it over to here. So right clicked, click on paste, and that's it. So the next step is to edit my thank you page or download page here and connect the product zip file to that page. And to do that, it's simply by using Composer again. So I'm going to right click on the thank you page, open it with Composer, and you're going to see how easy this is going to be. It only takes less than a few minutes. So I've got Composer open here, and I'm going to put this in here so that you can see it better. And as you can see, here is a thank you page. Alright, so in this case, I'm just only selling the report itself. So I'm going to delete this. What I'm going to do is just delete this here. And I'm going to, okay, so thank you for your purchase. Please bookmark this page. Your account will show up and your name. Okay, good. And then right below the picture, I'm going to download here. And the reason why I said if I go back over to the file manager here, the reason why I put this in here is simply because of this. If I click on this and click rename and then highlight the whole thing and right click and copy, what I'm trying to do is get a link directly to the downloadable files. So it says download here. If I highlight that, select that, click on link, and just enter train.cat-report.zip. If it's in the same folder as the thank you page, all I need to do is enter this. Now, if it is a different location, then I will need to point that there. And that's why, for simplicity, I did it this way. Click on OK, and if you want to add bonuses, you can. But for simplicity, I'm just going to click on Save and close it. Then the last thing I need to do is upload these files to my server. And in this, I recommend that you use FileZilla FTP program, and you can get FileZilla simply by going to, if you go to Google, you type in FileZilla, click on Client Download. The beauty of FileZilla is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. So download it, install it, and then get your FTP hosting information, username and password. Install this program, connect to it with the host is usually ftp.whateveryourdomain.com is. Enter your username and password, and then once you're connected, basically double click on this, and you have two choices. You can either create a new folder or just simply upload them directly to the main folder. So right now I've got FileZilla open here, and then I've got my files here. If I select them all and drag and drop them here, you'll see how easy it is, and I've already uploaded the files. And that's it for this video.